relative was doing everything she should have done to try to protect this child, and yet the Department of Social Services didn't help at all.
The family of a baby girl who nearly died after her mother's boyfriend brutally attacked her says it should never have happened.
Now attorneys for the family are suing the state, claiming it failed to investigate suspected abuse. And as Mike Manzoni tells you, this isn't the first lawsuit against DSS in recent years.
He broke both of her arms, her leg. He also ripped out large chunks of her hair, and she had bite marks on her face and on her buttocks.
She's talking about this man, Robert Lee Stedman Jr. He admitted to abusing the 21-month-old girl in Spartanburg County and is now in prison serving a 20-year sentence. But this lawsuit claims the state could have stopped the abuse.
She reported it to them 3 times and asked them to investigate, and yet they failed to do so.
The lawsuit says DSS, quote, knew that the minor child was in danger months before she was attacked. It also says when the little girl's relative called DSS to complain, DSS, quote, told her she had no reason for concern. That's when the lawsuit says the relative called back a 3rd time and heard this.
They told her that there was no reason to investigate, and if she wanted to do something, to hire her own private investigator.
Stedman admitted to abusing the little girl just weeks later. This is the latest lawsuit against DSS over claims of child abuse. 3 other lawsuits claim DSS knew about abuse at the Boys' Home of the South in Belton. One of those cases, involving an 11-year-old boy who claims he was sexually abused, settled out of court.
She has permanent damage to her arm.
Family attorney Heather Stone says all of these cases are troubling signs that something is wrong with DSS.
It's really across the board concerns with this agency, and I believe that we need reforms in Columbia to change this, to better protect the children in our state.
In Abbeville, Mike Manzoni, 7 on your side.
Now we reached out to DSS. It says it has no comment on the lawsuit at this time.